How to use the mini excavator Japan 1000. Starting the machine Japan 1000 with Kubota engine. To do this, heat the glow plugs by turning the key in the opposite direction. And start the engine. Motor speed control. Lower. Higher. Controlling the machine using a lever. Moving forward opens the arm. Backward movement closes arm. Rotation of the machine to the right. To the left. Headlight on excavator arm. Driving levers for front rear. Backward. Forward. A button in this position causes the machine to run in a slow gear. Press the button, the machine goes faster. Slow mode. Switch to fast mode. Lever to lower the blade. How do you properly extend the tracks? Raise the machine with the bucket and rear dozer. Press the button and extend the tracks. Slide off the tracks. First one side, then the other side. Controlling the movable arm using the leg. Track tensioning with a grease. You have to lift the machine up with the bucket and blade. There is a special valve and we tension the tracks.